Hey, it's Killbite here. In this video, I have the WOPET Automatic Pet Feeder. It is marketed towards cats and small to medium-sized dogs. So there's a link in the description for the product. It's currently $59.99 with a $20 coupon, so less than $40, okay, a penny less. You can have an automatic pet feeder. So let's look at some of the key features. You can program up to 6 feeding times a day. It holds 17 cups of kibble. So the size of the meal proportions is adjustable. In fact, it's adjustable by time even, so you can give more or less depending on the time of day that you want to feed them. So on the portion sizes, it has 0 for none, and then 1 through 20. And each one of those numbers is roughly 0.075 of a cup based on my measurements. So at 20, you have 1.5 cups. At 10, you would have 0.75 of a cup. You can also do a manual feeding at whatever portion you want. It has a battery backup in case you lose power. So if you lost power, it can still feed your cat or dog. And it allows you to record your voice up to 10 seconds so that you can call your pet to come and eat. So let's take a look at the product. First, the bowl will come out without having to detach the base here. The base is held in so it doesn't come apart. It doesn't just come out away. You can slide it down and away. The top is a twist to remove, and it comes with one of these moisture absorbing bags so that the kibble does not get damp. Let me get rid of some of this food. Okay, food's gone. So by the way, when it's out of food, it'll light and tell you. This part is actually locked, so if it ever got tipped over or something, it's not going to just dump the food. Like the top, you just twist and lift. That gives you access into here. You can remove it to clean it, like so. And if the off chance of something gets stuck in there, you can remove this and get it unstuck. But I've not had any issues with that. Don't put water in here. Use a damp cloth if you need to clean this out. Make sure it is dry before you put any kibble in it so that it doesn't get all nasty and wet. And this is the sensor, by the way, for the food level. Lock. Oh. All right, I should have showed you the bottom while I had before I put the food back in it. I'm hoping you can see there's 3 D batteries in here for backup, and this is where the USB cord goes in. It comes with everything but the batteries. Ta-da! So I hope that was helpful in introducing you to the WOPET Automatic Pet Feeder, the F09 model. I do highly recommend it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll answer if I can. And if you have one and you like it, or maybe you don't like it, let us know in the comments. And please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.